Welcome back. Making of a crib is the best moment during Christmas. Young and the old together merrily prepare the crib with their hard work. And yes, hard work is always rewarded. St. Lawrence Church of Akshi bagged the first prize in All Goa crib making competition this year. If you have missed to watch the crib, do not worry. The crib is And now news from sports. Babu Brothers 2020 cricket tournament has kicked off from Sunday at Fatorda. Kurtori Warriors beat Satari Boys by 20 runs in an inaugural match of the tournament at SSG ground. In the second match on day 1, RLM team defeated Super Strikers by 144 runs.
Kurtari Warriors opted to bat after winning the toss. They were all out for 123 runs in 17.5 overs. Bharat Aks scored 53 while Videsh Usgaonkar scored 13 runs. Thango Naik of Sattari Boys alone proved to be a nightmare for Kurtari Warriors. Thango Naik removed 6 batsmen. Krishna Varvekar claimed 2 scalps while Sagar Kore claimed 1 wicket. Sattari Boys were all out within 17.5 overs and could manage only 103 runs while replying to Kurtari Warriors 123 runs. No batsman of Sattari Boys could stay on the pitch as the Kurtori Boys had powerful bowling attack. Kurtari Warriors won this inaugural match by 20 runs and Naresh Asoldekar was adjudged the man of the match. Second match was played between Super Strikers and RLM team. Team RLM won this match by a huge margin of 144 runs. Team RLM bundled Super Strikers within 25 runs. Stanley of Team RLM claimed 5 wickets of Super Strikers and was hence the man of the match. A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
West Zone Lokotsav has commenced in Panji. Art and Culture Department and Udaipur Sanskritik Kendra are jointly organizing this 10-day Lokotsav since past many years. Vivid recipes and innovative artifacts is a specialty of this festival. In today's video of the day, we have Lokotsav 2012 for you. Enjoy the visuals and keep watching Prudent Media.
अरे बाल में आगोनी पधारो मारे देवेश जी एक शरीर